ये है मूनशॉट क्लिप चैनल, जहां पे आप एआई, ट्रेडिंग और मनी माइंडसेट के बारे में बहुत कम समय में बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो. सो सब्सक्राइब नाउ. या सर, आपके ये द मोमेंट वी मेड दैट वाई, दैट पर्पस, कोर पर्पस, जैसे आपने बताया, हमारा भी है टू प्रोवाइड प्रीमियम एजुकेशन एंड एम्पावर पीपल टू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ देयर फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर. ये बनाया था 2013 में.
People have to take control of their financial future.
Provide premium education and
Premium
empower
education,
them.
empower them. You're empowering them. You're making them powerful.
So ये जब दिमाग, पहले तो स्टार्टिंग में it was just a sentence, like a word, like a phrase. Then slowly we started inculcating in ourselves by reading it again and again and again. तो उसके वजह से इतना सारा प्रभाव, जैसे आपने बताया, बिफोर कोविड, ड्यूरिंग कोविड, आफ्टर कोविड, हमारा भी प्रोग्राम सारे फिजिकल होते थे. कोविड ने सब बंद कर दिया, तो हमारा वाई स्ट्रॉन्ग था. तो 6 महीने 1 साल थोड़ा अटक गया बिजनेस, बट वाई स्ट्रॉन्ग था. तो हमने रातों रात ये स्टूडियो खड़ा कर दिया, ऑफिस तोड़ दिया, और बोला हमको तो प्रीमियम एजुकेशन देना है. और अभी तो एजुकेशन लेने लोग बैठे हैं लॉकडाउन में, तो करेंगे. तो लॉकडाउन के दरमियान हमने ये स्टूडियो खड़ा किया, और ये फ्रेम और स्क्रीन और ये लैपटॉप्स और मंगाए. एंड दैट इज़ वन थिंग. आई डू अ शो कॉल्ड ट्यूसडे टेक्निकल टॉक. अब मैं दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में रहता हूँ, तो कभी कभी लगता है अभी आज नहीं होगा, लेकिन I try to find a Wi-Fi at the Starbucks or at the airport or somewhere or the other, and I do a show, because then why am I doing this? Because my purpose is to provide premium education. My audience is waiting for me on Tuesday, so I don't miss a single Tuesday in last 7 years. And that has become so much, as a person, you become so strong inside.
That's CDSI in action. Consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort you're putting.
Yeah, so people don't realize.
And you can do that because your why is clear. Your
Why is
CDSI
clear.
is strong because
Yeah.
your why is very clear. If your why is clear,
both
then you
connect.
will find that Starbucks, or you will bloody create a Starbucks, or you will create a tower there. You will do something because your why is clear, that I have to provide this premium education and empower people to, safeguard their financial future or wealth, whatever you might call it.
सो इट्स लाइक, जो ये आपने नॉलेज हमको दिया है और हमने आपसे लिया है, और वो इट कैन नॉट बी प्राइस्ड लाइक व्हाट मोस्ट पीपल थिंक, दैट 6 लाख का कोर्स है, 4 लाख. आई, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, व्हेन आई जॉइन योर कोर्स, आई वाज आल्सो थिंकिंग कि 6 लाख का कोर्स हम लोग 2 जन मिलके करेंगे. बट नाउ व्हेन वी रियलाइज बैक दैट नॉलेज वी आर यूजिंग सिंस 10 years ऑलरेडी, 12 years, एंड इफ आई डिस्काउंट दैट बाय 12 divided by 10 or 12, it becomes 1/10, and I'm going to use this knowledge for another 30 years or 40 years, and then it becomes nothing. And in fact, then now I understood that as a coach, as a guide, or as a mentor, you have to teach something which the student cannot repay you by money, which you have done to us, and which we are trying to do with our students. And that's why
So you have in your purpose the word educate, right?
Yeah.
What is education? That's very important, education is, if I may put it, like selling and education. People say, no, one is selling, one is educating people. Selling is, when somebody wanted to buy something and he was clear about wanting to buy it, and you landed up there and you used the selling skills and you sold him. And that means he was clear about what he wanted, and you landed up giving him something. That's selling. But what is education? You are giving him something that he should have known, but he does not even know that he should have known.
Yeah.
What you're saying? Give me that sentence again.
To provide premium education and empower people to take control of their financial future.
People were supposed to be self-empowered, and they were supposed to take control of their financial future.
Yes.
Was it not their responsibility?
Yes.
They should have known that, but they don't even know that they should have known that.
Right.
So education means you're making them aware of something that they should have been aware, but don't even know that they should have been aware. That's education, and that is hidden in your purpose. So your purpose is so strong. The more you dwell into it, the more intense you will become in life. The core purpose and the core values, like the core values and the core purpose, these are the two things which actually is nothing but the core ideology that drives your company, that drives your team, that drives each and every person in Malkhan's view. And if every person inculcates it, imbibes it, and starts living it by the minute. So not only they should know it by heart, they should know the meaning of it, and they should start living it.
Yes.
Like I write one of my book that I write is known as my core values book. Every day we have 6 core values. So, so if you look at it, let's say December. So we have 6 core values. One is demanding December 24. So demanding excellence is our first value. So on 2nd of December, how did I demand excellence? On 4th of December, how did I demand excellence? On 7th. So every night before I go to sleep, I write down how did I live the value.
Wow, that's deep work. Really.
So, so yesterday was 29th. No, today is what, 30th?
Yes.
29th. So 29th also, what did I do when I wrote that note that we are converting smart into smart Gurukul? That we are not going to be now driven by managers, but we are going to be driven by gurus in our company now. Intense human beings is all that I need in the company. So we're going to convert smart training into smart Gurukul. And we're going to bring traditional ways of doing things. I was demanding excellence from myself and from the team when I wrote a note. Then challenging the status quo, that's the second core value. How did I live it? Every night before I go to sleep, I write down, did I live the values?
And you have some or the other entry for every value every
Not
day?
necessarily. Not necessarily. Today I must have not demanded excellence. I didn't go to meet anybody. I came here. But I can write that I challenge the status quo, that I'd never generally go for podcasts and all those things. I challenge the status quo today. So I may write that. Or, responsive and result oriented. So suppose I did a 50 lakh rupee deal today. So then, something. So anything that you do which is coinciding with your values, you must write. Now, because you have values and because they're so strong in you, that I demand excellence, I challenge the status quo, I speak from meaningful experience. What do you mean by speak from meaningful experience? I can talk about vision, I can talk about values, I can talk about so many things, self-improvement, self-reflection and all. कोई proof है क्या दिखाने के लिए? खाली बात करता है. So my value number 3 says speak from meaningful experience. Don't speak if you're not doing it. If you're not making money, don't talk about it. If you're not getting up in the morning, don't talk about it. If you're not reading, don't talk about it. If you're not taking on challenges at an advanced rate, don't bloody talk, shut up. कर तो values है. 6 core values we have. I am not saying. So in our company, many people write this book. So if in Malkan's view also, if there are values, if they start writing, and I have now, like I was doing a company called Glow Dharma. We are doing a project with them. So now what they're doing is 5:45 to 6 in the evening before they go, 15 मिनट कोर वैल्यूज बुक लिखो. 6 बजे तक का टाइम है. पहले तुम 6 बजे निकलती थी. 5:45 को काम बंद करो. 5:45 to 6 राइट डाउन योर बुक, कोर वैल्यूज बुक, कि आज मैंने कौन सा वैल्यू जिया. Today I did that. That proves that you were demanding excellence or challenge the status quo or speak from meaningful experience or whatever might be your values. So beautiful life is this can only be done by a person driven by the why. And why is so powerful.
Thank you for watching this clip video. अगर आपको ऐसे और clips देखने हैं तो ये चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें.